Today on Sugar Spun Run, we'll be making peanut butter crinkle cookies. Hey Sugar Spun bakers, Sam here with another carefully tested, well-researched, and perfected recipe. Luke, what are we making today?
Cookies.
What kind of cookies?
I don't know.
We are making peanut butter crinkle cookies today. These are a lot of fun. They're great for your Christmas cookie tray, or they're great any time of year. Luke is super excited to get started. So the first thing you're going to need is 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter. We're gonna add that to a large mixing bowl. Good job. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of
Peanut butter.
creamy peanut butter.
I
Go
can
ahead.
add it.
Okay, it sticks a little bit, so there you go. Now for today's recipe and most of my peanut butter recipes, I do recommend using generic or classic peanut butter. Don't use the natural kind that separates in the jar where you have the oil on top. Next, we'll add 1 1/4 cups of firmly packed dark brown sugar. We're gonna add some granulated sugar too. That's not granulated sugar, but we'll use it soon. We're gonna add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. It's all gonna get baked out anyway. Next, we are going to use either a stand mixer or an electric hand mixer to cream these ingredients together until they are light and fluffy and well combined.
Can I add this?
Actually, you know what we need next?
Yeah.
Next, we need 2 eggs. Do you want to pick out an egg for me?
Yeah.
Which one should we use? Which one first?
And this one.
2 blue eggs?
Yeah.
Okay, let me crack them. All right, let's crack the eggs. You got it. So we'll add these to the bowl. This is 2 large eggs. Go ahead, can you add them in? Wonderful. We'll also add our vanilla extract. How much vanilla is that? 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then we'll stir these ingredients in until everything's well combined, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you want to do it?
Yeah.
All right, now we're going to need a separate bowl for
A dry ingredient.
our dry ingredients. We'll start with 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour,
1/2 teaspoon baking powder.
a 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Go ahead.
1/2 teaspoon baking
Soda.
soda.
Yep, perfect.
3/4 teaspoon salt.
We don't need, okay. It's stuck a little bit.
Okay.
And 3/4 teaspoon salt. All right, now we'll whisk these ingredients together until they're nicely combined. Do you want to get your little whisk? Whisk it up. Now we're going to stir the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients.
Candy canes?
We can't do candy canes right now
Why not?
because we're making peanut butter cookies. Don't you think the flavors would kind of clash? We'll just scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl because we want to make sure the dry ingredients and wet ingredients are well combined. See, look at that. There's a pocket of flour in there. We need to mix that in, don't we? Yeah, good idea. So this dough does need to chill a little bit before you can use it. It's a little sticky right now. So we're going to cover it and chill it in the refrigerator for 30 to 60 minutes or until it's manageable and you can roll it into balls. How's that candy cane?
Good.
Good. While your dough is chilling, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, Luke, this has been chilling for probably about an hour. You ready to take the plastic off and we can start rolling the cookies?
Yep.
We're gonna scoop these cookies by rounded tablespoons. And Luke, I'm going to have you roll them through the sugar. So first we'll just roll the cookies into a ball. And then here I have a coarse sugar. You can either use turbinado sugar, coarse sugar, or if you don't have that, just regular granulated will work as well. And go ahead and roll it through so it's all covered in sugar. Perfect. Let's get the bottom a little bit. There we go. And we'll transfer these to a parchment paper lined baking sheet and we'll space the cookies at least 2 inches apart. Ready for another one? Go ahead, roll it. I'll get another one ready. Perfect. That's another one. Last one?
Yep.
Don't eat it. Now we'll take these over to our 350 degree Fahrenheit oven where they're gonna need to bake for how long?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Keep an eye on them. Depending on your oven, they may need to take 9 to 11 minutes, so just keep an eye on them. Now the cookies may have puffed a bit while they were baking, but as they cool, they should settle down. They'll also be pretty delicate while they're warm, so we're going to let them cool completely on the baking sheet. Now once the cookies have cooled, what do we get to do?
Eat them.
We gotta eat them. And how about that, Luke? That is how you make these fun, simple peanut butter crinkle cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and if you try this one out, please leave me a comment and let me and Luke know what you think. We always love hearing from you, don't we? Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. You ready? You ready to try one?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
That's good.
All of it.
Okay, well you can't eat it because we need to add it to the cookies. And most of my peanut butter recipes,
This?
no, we're not gonna put a candy cane in it.
Okay.
It's a great suggestion, but just not with this recipe. We're going to need to bake for how long?
3 minutes.
Why 3 minutes? We're gonna need to bake for, do you wanna be done? You can be done, Phil. Stop flicking. We're going to need to bake for how long?
3 minutes.
Where they need to bake for how long?
3 minutes.
Where they're going to need to bake for how long?
3 minutes.
How long?
3 minutes.
No, it's, sorry. Where they're going to need to bake for how long?
3 minutes.
Now we'll take these over to our 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. This is a mess. This is great.